Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to display alerts directly on your Grafana dashboards. This helps you monitor important metrics and quickly see when something goes wrong. Let's get started. Grafana includes a built-in alerting system that allows you to create alert rules and visualize their status on your dashboards. Here's how to display alerts. Step 1. Log in to Grafana. First, open your Grafana dashboard in your web browser. Sign in using your account credentials. Once logged in, you will see the Grafana home interface. Step 2. Create an alert rule. From the left sidebar, click Alerting. Then select Alert Rules. Click New Alert Rule to create a new alert. Step 3. Configure the alert query. Choose the data source that contains the metric you want to monitor. Create a query for the metric, such as CPU usage or memory usage. This query will be used to evaluate the alert condition. Step 4. Set the alert condition. Now, define the condition that will trigger the alert. For example, trigger alert when CPU usage is greater than 80% for 5 minutes. This helps detect abnormal system behavior. Step 5. Save the alert rule. After configuring the condition, click Save Rule. Grafana will now monitor the metric automatically. Step 6. Open your dashboard. Next, go to the panel where you want to display the alert. Open the panel that shows the metric you used in the alert rule. Step 7. Enable alert visualization. Edit the panel and enable alert state display or alert annotations. This will allow the dashboard to show alert indicators directly on the panel. Step 8. View alerts on the dashboard. Once enabled, the panel will display alert states such as normal, pending, and alerting. You may also see visual markers on the graph when alerts are triggered. Step 9. Add an alert list widget. You can also add an alert list panel to your dashboard. Click Add Panel, select Alert List, and choose the alerts you want to display. This panel will show all active alerts in real time. Important tip, you can also configure notification channels like email, Slack, or webhooks so that alerts are sent to your team automatically when triggered. And that's it. That's how you display Grafana alerts on your dashboards step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical Grafana tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.